Sweet. This is Gav from Sweet Design. Um, this video, what I did were I was working away, and I were in an hotel room, and I couldn't get into. Obviously, I couldn't get to my shed because where were I? I was in Birmingham, and so I were a bit gutted because I like making YouTube videos now. I've only started about 4 or 5 weeks ago, but I right enjoy it. So I thought I'd do a little video of sort of like just drawing on pebbles, which the stones I got from Bridlington, East Coast holiday site, and took me, my wife and kids went there Easter last year, and we ended up getting I got some bits of driftwood from Whitby, and I got some stones from Brid, so I thought, I'll make something into that. So that's why I started with like the Easter spring sheep and the little chicken, the little bunny rabbits, just drawn just by marker pen. I'm just stone. I mean, you can lacquer them. I ain't lacquered them yet. It's possible. Just different colours. Like a little rabbit. And let's make just to say, yeah, I do make a lot of stuff out of wood, plastic, metal, but literally you can make anything out of all sorts. Then my little homage to Peter the Rabbit, which is coming out, or just come out for this Easter. But it's just to say, happy Easter, all the best. Get yourself out there, start making things, anything. You can do it. Just drawing on a stone. It's possible, innit? So let's make things.